has just about begun, and if you live in Chennai, a quick dash to Kanchipuram to buy Kanjivaram silk saris isn't unusual. But with dulling demand and a break in the supply chain thanks to COVID-19, empty showrooms are a telling sign of just how gravely silk sari sales have been impacted this year.
We used to average sales of around 2 lakh rupees per day, but today we are only accounting for about 2,000 rupees a day. We are hoping that things will improve going forward.
Our middle class customers are going to be affected the most, since they depend on daily businesses and salaries. For 4 months, there was no activity. For the last 2 months, lockdown measures have eased. But it's not enough to expect people to get back to buying saris. We've endured losses of between 60 to a little over 70% from March till date.
70% loss.
While COVID-19 has made wallets smaller, the bigger problem has to do with the near washout of the wedding season. On an average, big weddings see families shop for saris for the entire bridal party. This year around, things are a tad different. With most wedding halls shut and marriages being formalized in temples, big ticket spending has come to a halt in this segment, thereby crucially impacting sales.
Maximum 70% out, sir. Just
our business is down 70%. Customers who used to buy 20 to 30 saris in one go are only buying a sari or two. For weddings, people usually bought 50 saris as gifts, but thanks to COVID, they are cutting corners and buying 2 to 3 saris.
They are making ella chinnadu panni 2 sala 3 sallaye vandu marriage mudichiranga.
We are expecting sluggish sales till Diwali and Pongal, but there is a possibility of consumptions picking up once the festivals are done. We have not halted production and have set targets keeping a recovery in mind. There is potential for business to go from 20% to about 50% of pre-corona revenues in the next 2 months.
Retailers here are not expecting either the Diwali or the Puja festivities to draw in any noticeable spike in sales. But right about now, even a small recovery in sentiment is good news for the silk hub. In Kanchipuram, this is Jude Sanath.